Welcome to Kids Academy.
Hi and welcome to the Kids Academy chess course. My name is Robert Lazorchak and I'm a certified teacher with international and national chess teaching certifications. I will be your guide as we begin to master this great game. Now let's get to the chess. Hi, it's Coach Rob from Kids Academy and I'm so excited for today because today we begin to talk about the chess pieces, specifically the two most important pieces in the game. Do you know which pieces I'm referring to? Well, if you said the king and queen, then you are correct. The king is the most important piece in chess. You can tell which piece the king is because number one, he's the tallest piece, and number two, he has a cross or a plus sign above his head. When you record chess moves, you use the letter K for king, and you might see the king depicted as a symbol. Well, it looks like a crown with either an X or a plus on top. In chess, the king is the star. You can think of him as the general or the commander of the army, and your job as a chess player is to keep your king safe and attack your opponent's king. Sometimes when I play chess, I even like to think that I am the king and I need to keep myself safe while giving orders to my pieces or soldiers for them to attack the opponent's king. We'll talk more about the king in another video, but before we move on to the queen, I'll just say that he can move one square in any direction. He's not very fast, and I like to think of him as an old man with a cane hobbling around the board. He can only move one square per turn. The queen, on the other hand, is the fastest piece or the strongest piece, and she's very important as well. But like I said, for a different reason. It's because she's so fast. We'll learn about her movements later on, but for now I want you to know that the queen is the second tallest piece on the board, and she also wears a crown. Although her crown looks a little bit different. There's no cross or plus sign on top. It has kind of ridges around the sides. When you record a queen's move in chess, you use the letter Q, and the symbol of the queen is also a picture of a crown, but it has little points going off in different directions. You can see it right over here. While the queen is the strongest piece, it wasn't always that way. Originally, that piece was called a minister or advisor, and it could only move one square at a time. A little bit later, they decided to give the queen a little bit more power, or the advisor a little bit more power, and it could move two squares at a time. But it wasn't for many years until the queen actually was able to have the powers, exert the power that she has now. So thank you for watching this video on the king and queen. You now should know what the pieces look like. You should know the letters used when recording those pieces' moves, and you should know the symbol for the king and the queen. In the next lesson, we'll introduce the knight and the pawn, and I'm very excited for those two. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Subscribe to our channel to stay updated on new videos. Find links to our apps in the comments below.